Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. In this session, we'll focus on letting go of negative thoughts and embracing inner peace. Take a deep breath in and allow yourself to relax completely. Let's begin this journey to release the burdens of negativity. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice how it flows in and out effortlessly. With each inhale, feel a sense of calm. With each exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Now, let's scan the body from head to toe. Starting at the top of your head, gently bring your attention to your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Release any tension you may feel. As you continue to breathe, move down your body, your neck, shoulders, chest, arms, and all the way down to your legs and feet. Allow everything to soften and relax. Now, I want you to bring your awareness to any negative thoughts that may be weighing on you. These could be thoughts of fear, doubt, or worry. Acknowledge them, but don't hold on to them. Picture them as clouds in the sky, drifting, shifting, and slowly passing by. With each exhale, imagine these clouds dissolving, clearing the sky of your mind. As the clouds disappear, visualize a beautiful open sky, clear, calm, and peaceful. You are not your thoughts, you are the awareness behind them. Let them go. As you continue to breathe deeply, silently repeat the affirmation, I release all negative thoughts, I am at peace. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. Feel lighter, more at ease, more connected to the present moment. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Know that you can return to this peaceful state at any time. You are free, calm, and at peace. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage for more peaceful journeys. Wishing you calm and positivity throughout your day.